So ladies and gentlemen, the man who's taken over from Mum and Dad has put this all on tonight, and we should give a big thank you to. But time to hear from, please welcome Mr. Todd McArthur.
Mum and Dad, you've been a bit part of this for 50 years. I'd like to say thank you for what you've done. We've taken the company a different path. It wasn't you but being a backstop, we wouldn't be where we are today. So I just want to thank all the team here as well. So there's a lot of team here this evening. Couldn't do it without you, I know. I can be a prick and I can be hard and sometimes I'm not there. But anybody that's got a business, if you haven't got a good team around you, you're gone. So this is the reason I get to stand here tonight in front of all you people. Thank you for being who you are, and I hope you enjoy this evening and have a great night.
This is Courtney and Linda from the Royal Flying Doctor Service Queensland section. Just want to say congratulations to the McArthur family on your 50th anniversary. It's such an amazing milestone, and just want to thank you for supporting the Royal Flying Doctor Service this evening in the fundraising side of this event. It's a fantastic event. You're obviously well loved by the local community and all your suppliers and team members. So I just want to say thank you, and thank you again from the RFDS.
$3,000 we had once, twice, no further interest in the room. Thank you, Alyssa Wright. Sold to the gentleman at the back of the room, $3,000, great fine.
Todd's passion and dedication, it's hard to follow him. Anything he wanted to put his name to, I'd support. Well done, mate. Good on you. Love you, brother.
I've worked with McArthur Industries for the last 10 years, I think. Started off with Sandgate Auto Electrics, rolled into all brand caravans, Storm Custom Works. Fantastic family business. Couldn't recommend them more highly. Their value for money.
We love what Alan and Todd have brought to the family and to the business, so the family values, and that's why we think they're one of the best companies to buy products from. Their advice, their service, time, quality and prices, everything is on board, and yeah, I couldn't recommend them highly enough.
I'm just so proud to be here tonight and help with the Royal Flying Doctors and the great job that Todd and Alyssa and their family are doing. Go them, I love them. Thank you.
Congratulations, 50 years, massive achievement. Wish you guys all the best.
Congratulations, Alan, Susan and Todd. 50 years is amazing, an amazing business. You should be really proud of what you've done, and I am so happy to be involved.
We love Todd. We've known him for too long, and he's a giant pain in my ass. All right? Cheers. Have a good night.
Todd, I love you, and I only came here tonight because you pushed me so hard, but I'm really glad that you did, mate. Congratulations.
That your mother and I are so proud of what you've done, what you've put on tonight. I was really impressed with everything. I'd like to thank you very much.